Every day, machines like this carry millions of tons. Silently.
£4,000 of steel. This is where it starts. One wrong move, 4,000 pounds falls wrong. Hold, left.
.4, 22.1, 20.6.
Half an inch of variance. Unacceptable. He marks it.
And rotate. Keep it moving. Steady rotation throughout the sequence.
Reading 3.2 inches, target 3.25 inches. One more light press, 3.25. Perfect. Reading 3.2 inches, target 3.25 inches. One more light press, 3.25. Perfect.
The scale fractures. Beneath it, Quevel, the real steel.
Clear.
900 degrees. 4 hours. The steel resets itself.
This is what 4 hours of heat looks like.
All clear. Drop the shaft.
The quench decides everything. He reads it through steel.
Left. Hold. Center. 1/1000th of an inch. The center must be perfect.
Diameter 18.750, plus or minus 0.05 inches.
First contact. The rough form begins disappearing forever.
.1, 5 inches deep, 40 pounds per pass.
$19,847, $19,851, $1949, $1952, $19,848.
5 thousandths across 8 feet. The rough cut holds. .3 3.2 micrometers, smoother than most people can feel.
Two axes. One motion. The shoulder takes its form.
Every diameter, every shoulder, cut in one pass.
This groove is invisible in use. It changes everything.
$18,752, $18,751, $18,752.
2/1000 across 8 feet. And it must get better.
He waits 15 minutes. Temperature changes dimension. He knows. 20 thousandths deep. The surface begins to become a mirror. Twelve 10,000ths remaining. His next cut must be perfect. 6 thousandths removed. He does not breathe until it stops.
.00005. 50 millionths of an inch. The shaft must not move.
Every spark is a grain of wheel touching your shaft. Thousands, simultaneously.
2 10,000ths per pass. It will take 11 passes.
The last spark dies. The bearing seat is finished forever. This cut removes less than a human hair's thickness. If this line bends, the entire shaft is rejected. Some defects are invisible, but catastrophic under real-world stress. One flaw, and hours of work are instantly destroyed. Every one of these carries precision, measured beyond human sight. From raw steel to perfection, shaped by relentless precision.